Hello friends, welcome to C Programming Tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about pointers introduction. Introduction to pointers. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a constant or a variable that contains an address that can be used to access data. So what it means? So what is a pointer? A pointer is a constant or variable. So first we are going to see what is pointer constant. So what is a pointer constant means? So pointer constants are addresses of computer memory. So let us assume that this is the computer memory. So this is the computer memory. The memory can be organized in the form of bytes. So for example, these are the bytes. Okay. Now, each location is indicating with one number. For example, this location is indicating with the number 1001. The next one 1002, 1003, 1004 and so on. Okay, in these memory locations I am going to store the data. For example, capital A I stored in a location 1004. Okay, that means this 1004 is pointer constant. Okay, that means the addresses in the computer memory we call as a pointer constants, and these cannot change. These cannot change. So what is pointer constant? The pointer constants are addresses of computer memory. The addresses we are called as a pointer constant. For example, I define like this: int a equals to 5. So what happened? So a is a variable. For example, this is the memory location of A. Now the 5 is stored in A and this A has some address. For example, the address is 1010. Okay, so now how we can identify this memory location? By using an identifier, and the address of A is 1010. This 1010 we are called as a pointer constant. This A we are called as a identifier or variable, and 5 we are called as a data constant. Okay, so next, pointer value. So pointer value. So here the pointer value is 1010. How we can assign this pointer to another variable? So that we are called as a pointer value. Okay, I hope in our previous classes we see one instruction: scanf %d ampersand a. So what is the meaning of ampersand here? The scanf function we are going to use to read the value from the keyboard. For example, I enter 10. Now this 10 is going to store in the address of A. So for example, this is the address of A. In this location you are going to store this 10. Okay, that means ampersand indicates the address of a variable. Now, so pointer value. The address operator. What is the address operator? Ampersand extracts the address for a variable. Here ampersand A. So that means it referencing the address of A. The address operator format is ampersand variable name. Okay, that means you are going to give ampersand after that variable name. In this case, the variable name is A. So next, this control string, conversion string. So %p conversion code is used to print address of a variable. So now, so for example, take the same case. If I am printing printf %d a. So what it prints? The value of a, 10. In the place of %d, I am going to use %p, and here I am going to give ampersand a. Now it prints address of that a. What is the address of a? 1010. Okay, so normally in computer system it stores in hexadecimal format. For the convenience, here we are using numbers like this. Okay, I hope you all are understand. So what is a pointer? What is a pointer? A pointer is a constant. So here 1010 is a constant. Okay, and the pointer may be variable also. If the pointer is the variable, then we store the address of another variable. For example, I define int a equals to 5. Here a is a normal variable. A is a normal variable. In this A, I am going to store the integer data. Okay. So similarly, if I am taking any pointer variable, then what is the purpose of this pointer variable? The purpose of the pointer variable is to store the address. Here, asterisk ptr equals to 5. It is illegal. So why? So 5 is not a address. Here, I am going to give asterisk ptr equals to ampersand a. It is legal. Why? The pointer variable is used to store the address of another variable. So now we see the definition. So pointer variable is a variable which stores the address of another variable. I hope you understand that. And declaration. How to declare a pointer variable. So how to declare a normal variable? Data type and variable name. Here also same. Data type, for example the integer data type, and the pointer name is ptr. Now it seems like normal variable only, but it is a pointer variable, so it is prefixed with asterisk. Int asterisk ptr, then it is a pointer. So this is the declaration. Okay, so now initialization. I want to assign a value to this pointer. How? Ptr equals to ampersand a. So ptr equals to ampersand a. Now the address of a 1010 is stored in a pointer ptr and accessing the variable. Now here, so percentage d, I am giving a. So what is the output? So 10 is the output. Now I want to access the content of the variable a with the help of pointer. How? Then we are going to use this asterisk operator. Asterisk operator. Here the asterisk operator used in two ways. One is to declare a pointer. For example, int asterisk ptr. Here this asterisk is used to declare a pointer. Declare a pointer. Okay, for example, a equals to asterisk of ptr. Here the asterisk of ptr is in right side. Now this asterisk is used as a dereferencing operator. Dereferencing operator. So dereferencing is nothing but redirection. So redirection means a equals to asterisk of ptr. So what is the ptr here? The ptr is 1010. Dereferencing to this location. What is in the content in the location? 10. So a equals to 10. Okay. So we discuss in detail in future classes. Let us here you understand that. So what is a pointer variable and how to declare a pointer variable and how to initialize the pointer variable and how to access the content of variable with the help of pointer. Okay, for that we are going to see one small program. Here we are taking two variables, a equals to 5, b equals to 10. So a equals to 5. So for example this is the a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. Okay, let us assume the address of a is 1001, the address of b is 2001. Okay, so int asterisk p asterisk q. Now asterisk p means this is the pointer, asterisk q means this is also a pointer. So this is also a variable p and q. Okay, these also have some addresses. Let us assume 3001, 4001. Okay, now p equals to ampersand a. So what it means? P holds the address of variable a. What is the address of variable a? 1001. So that is stored in pointer p. Similarly, what is the address of b? 2001. So that is stored in q. Now, printf percentage d a. What is the output? 5 is the output. So percentage d b. What is the output? 10 is the output. Okay, so listen carefully. Instead of d, here I am using p. Now I want to print the address of a, address of b. Now instead of this I am giving ampersand a, ampersand b. So percentage p, control string is used to print the address of a variable. Percentage p ampersand a means address of a. What is the address of a? 1001. What is the address of b? 2001. Okay. Instead of percentage A, you are going to give P also. So P, what is the content in the P? 1001. This is the address, so it prints 1001. Instead of ampersand B also, you are going to give Q. Now it prints, what is the content in the Q? 2001. Okay, now we see how to access the contents of a variable with the help of pointer. Instead of percentage P, you are going to use D. So asterisk P. So what is the asterisk operator? It is dereferencing operator. Dereferencing is nothing but what is the content in the P? 1001. Dereferencing to this address. That means go to this address. So 1001 content is 5. So output is 5. And similarly, instead of Q, if you use asterisk of Q. Instead of Q, if you use asterisk Q, then it display 10 as output. Okay. So now we see we are going to find addition of these two numbers with the help of pointer. How? Printf percentage D. If I am writing A plus B, it prints 15. But I want to access the content of this variable with the help of pointer. So I write asterisk P plus asterisk Q. So what is the P? 1001. Asterisk P means dereferencing to A. So 5 plus asterisk Q. What is the asterisk Q? So dereference to 2001. It is 10. So 5 plus 10, 15 is the output. Okay. I hope you all are understand pointer constant and pointer variable. So now we see how you are going to access the variables with the help of pointers. Here I am taking two variables A and B and two pointers. So P is to store address of A and Q is for to store address of B. I am going to print A value and B value and address of A, address of B by using conversion string, so percentage P. Here I am using the pointer variable. Here I access the content of the variable A with the help of pointer, and so this is to find addition of these two variables. Now we execute this program. GCC program 50.c /a.out. Okay. So A value is 5. So B value 10. A address. So this is the address of variable A. This is the address of variable B. Okay. So here, so we can print with the help of pointer. So these are the content in the variables we print with the help of pointer. So this is the addition of A and B. So this is the addition of A and B using pointers. Okay. Now we execute one more time. Okay. If you observe that the addresses of variables will be changed. Okay. So this is the hexadecimal representation of addresses.